Today I brought you an optimization for one of my previously released free strategy scripts, the triple EMA plus MACD double cross strategy. In the original video, this strategy was able to achieve staggering results on the BTCUSDT 2-hour chart and on many other cryptocurrencies. The optimized version of this strategy at the time of recording this video is still placed at the 4th best strategy I ever showcased here on TradeSmart AI. So I decided to take another look on this strategy and optimize it. As I know many of you are looking for strategies on lower time frames, I decided to re-optimize the strategy for the ETHUSDT 50-minute chart. So in this video, I will explain you the triple EMA plus MACD double cross strategy once again and show you my optimized settings. After that, we will take a look on the backtest results for the last 4 years and check out where this optimization is placed in the strategy ranking spreadsheet. And the best part, you can get access to this strategy script for free. As always, if you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss any of my TradingView strategy script videos. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Okay, so for this strategy, open up TradingView and set up the ETHUSDT 50-minute chart. Once you got that, let's add our indicators. Open up the Indicators tab and first add 3 EMAs. Click on this one. This indicator contains 3 different EMAs, as it says. Then type in KC. That will bring you to the Keltner channel, add this one. Then type in NNFX ATR. This will be your stop loss and take profit indicator as usual. Then MACD. Add this one. And finally RSI. Click on this one. Okay, now we have all of the indicators on the chart, but of course I optimized this strategy, so we need to change a few settings. So let's go over them one by one. First, open up the 3 EMAs. Set the first EMA to 750 length, the second EMA to 15 length, and the third EMA to 60 length. Make sure that all of the sources are set on close. You can go over to the Styles tab and color them however you like. I choose these colors. Once you've done that, open up the Keltner channel. Set its length to 55, the multiplier to 10, the source to close. Make sure that the use exponential MA is ticked. The band style should be set at average true range. And the ATR length to 70. For the NNFX ATR, set its X value, which is its length, to 70, the TP value to 18, and the SL value to 9. Then switch to the Styles tab, untick all the sell options and the main ATR, because this is a long only strategy. Then change the line styles to step line. This way it will be easier to see where to put the lines. Now moving on to the MACD. Set the fast length to 20, the slow length to 11, and the signal smoothing to 3. And finally, open up the RSI settings. Its length should be 60, the smoothing is set at EMA, the length is 105, and the BBSTD dev is 2. But you don't have to set this one up as we are using an EMA and not a Bollinger Band smoothing. In the Styles tab, for the MA I chose a yellow color. Okay, now all of the indicators are correctly set up, so now let's see the entry and exit rules. For a very long entry, first the candle needs to close above all of the 3 EMAs, which are these lines here. Here we have a very long entry signal. For a very long entry, the signal candle needs to close above all the 3 EMAs that are displayed here. Then, this is the most important part, on the MACD we need to see 2 cross-ups. The first cross-up should occur at a lower level than the second cross-up. So we have one cross-up here and the second cross-up here. A cross-up is technically when the blue line goes above the orange line or the fast-moving one goes above the slow-moving one. So this second cross-up is definitely higher than the first cross-up, meaning that this rule is also met. The RSI needs to be above the RSI-based moving average, which is this white line. And for the final rule, we should use the Keltner channel or the KC, so make it visible. And the KC will be this upper and lower line. And for a very long entry, the price should close inside the Keltner channels, which it did. So all of the rules are met for a very long entry. Okay, once all of the rules are met, we can enter into a long position at the close of the signal candle or at the open of the next candle. The stop loss will be placed at the lower NNFX ATR line and the take profit to the upper NNFX ATR line. There is another rule when managing these trades. Whenever we get a new valid long entry signal, we won't enter into a new position. Instead, we will update the stop loss and take profit levels accordingly. In the case of this trade, there were no new valid entry signals, so the script exited the position when it hit the take profit level. Also, if you are using both long and short trades, the script will also exit if we are a long position and we get a valid short entry signal. Just keep that in mind. Okay, so those are the rules for this strategy. Now let's see the backtest results. Again, we are on the ETHUSDT 50-minute chart. For the backtest, I am using a $10,000 initial capital and a $15,000 order size, which means a 1.5x leverage. The commission is set to 0.1% and the slippage is 2 ticks. And here are the backtest results for the last 4 years, starting on 2020, the 1st of September, and ending on 2024, the 1st of September. During this period, we got 196 trades that generated 324% net profit, with a 1.5 profit factor and 23% maximum drawdown. Comparing it to the buy and hold, we can see that the ETHUSDT buy and hold actually outperforms this strategy, but these were the best results I could get out of it. Checking the after optimization date, these are the last 20,000 candles, and we can see that in this period, this strategy outperformed the buy and hold, which is a great sign. Now just quickly let's see how it performs on the 10-minute and the 30-minute chart. On the 10-minute, it is somewhere around break even, and on the 30-minute, it is profitable, but again the buy and hold is better. So it's better to stick just for the 50-minute chart. As always, these results are in sample optimization range backtest data, which cannot guarantee the future results. Just keep that in mind. Now let's see where this strategy is placed among all the strategies I have tested so far. The triple EMA plus MACD double cross strategy for the ETHUSDT 50-minute chart has took the 27th placement out of all the strategies I tested so far. This placement is not pretty good. With 324% net profit, this is where it ranks. You can find this spreadsheet down in the description. I will put here the link of this video and the download link for the strategy. But talking about the strategy, how you can get access to it. So this is the Cody strategy. You can set up every indicator here, and to get access to it, you just have to go down into the description. There you will find a Google Drive link. Click on that Google Drive link. That will lead you to the source code of this strategy. Copy the source code, then come back to TradingView, open up Pine Editor, click here, create new, and strategy, highlight everything here, delete it, and paste the code right here. Finally, you will have to click on the Add to Chart button. If you've done that correctly, you should see the strategy script right here. And that wraps up today's video. If you want to support my work, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. You can also check out my Patreon shop for more complex strategy scripts and for private coding or private optimization. And if you want to get access to my best premium strategy scripts that are made for trading bot automation, check the link in the description and become a Smart Trader tier member. If you want to check out the original video, click here. Or if you want to see another highly profitable strategy I've built with ChatGPT, check out this video. As always, thank you all for watching, have an amazing day, and until next time, trade smart.